Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesara Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly, mid-month love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This reading is going to be for the Sagittarius from the 28th till the 31st of the July. This is not like the rest of the reading Sagittarius. This is going to be a short reading, a direct message for you about your 28th till the 31st of the July. It's a prediction, okay? So those who are new to my channel Sagittarius, if you are really into such videos, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. We have the King of Swords, Four of Swords, the Hermit. Overall energy is the Knight of Swords. Okay, Sagittarius, someone could be coming your way these 4 days, coming very fast, very quick. This person has something to say you, something to give you some clarity regarding the situation. This person could be a boss, or could be your senior, or could be the head of the home, or whom you really respect. Okay, this person has something truth to say you. This person wants to communicate or give you some clarity about the situation. There's a lot of healing going on. This could be you, Sagittarius, in the present situation. You're kind of thinking about something deep inside. There's the overthinking too about the situation. I'm going to clarify what is this person, what the message is. First, I'm going to clarify the challenge or the overall energy of the reading about the person who is coming your way. Sagittarius. The Knight of Swords is clarified by the Tower, the Fool, Seven of Cups. So Sagittarius, this could be someone whom you really broke up. You really broke connection with this person. Maybe forcefully. Everything happened very fast with this person in the past. This person is again here because they want to start something new with you. Could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, but Aquarius is very strong here. Could be a Scorpio too. I feel this person really wants to take risk to get into you, Sagittarius. This person wants to new start with you because I think they really came out of their confusion situation. All these days they had some confusion, or all these days they had many options in their life, and they finally cleared it out. Yeah, I really want Sagittarius. This person is coming your way to get you some messages. I'm going to clarify they really are choosing you, Sagittarius. They want a new start with you. I'm going to clarify the Hermit. You kind of overthinking in the present situation, Sagittarius. This could be you, or this could be another person, or I really feel this is you. The Hermit is clarified with the Page of Wands, the King of Cups, the Five of Wands. I don't feel you have to easily accept this person, okay? There was the situation happened in the past which forcefully made you to end the situation. There was a fighting going on. Maybe you need, though this person is offering something stable connection or a romantic potential strong connection with you, maybe you are over analyzing in the present situation. Should I have to give them a start, or should I have to not? Should I have to consider, or should I have to not? You're kind of over analyzing, but the thing is you need to get some you're over analyzing because there was a situation where both were you fighting. There was no compromisation happened. The situation really didn't get the solution or a conclusion it wanted, so you kind of over analyzing it. I didn't get the fairness in the past. Is it sure that I'm going to get it in the future, or is it going to be okay if I get back with this person again with whom I actually ended the situation? That's why you are going over analyzing about the situation. I'm going to clarify the King of Swords for you, Sagittarius. This person, the King of Swords is clarified with the Nine of Wands, the Star, the Four of Swords. Yes, this person, after leaving you, Sagittarius, they felt the real pain. They spent a lot of alone time. They spent a lot of painful situation. They really tried to heal without you, or it didn't happen with them. Yeah, they experienced a lot of pain after they left you. Yeah, the situation was painful, the fighting was brought them the real pain in their life. Maybe this brought you the lot of pain. Maybe both of you experienced it, but at those times the focus might be in a, it was went in the right way. Maybe this person is like, now they have understood what they want. I think their total focus is on you, Sagittarius. They're hoping to get back to you, hoping to get everything to be aligned together. They're kind of wishing you, they haven't lost the hopes on you. I feel, Sagittarius, whoever coming your way, they want you to take some action, but you're not taking in the present situation. They really want you to take some decision regarding it, take some practical decision, or take some action towards this person. They want it, okay? But you kind of analyzing, should I have to give them a start? Should I have to get some conclusion here? You're kind of over analyzing, because this person wants some fresh start. This person got to know, yeah, I want, Sagittarius. They are very clear about it, but you're kind of not taking any action. You're over analyzing, overthinking. Yeah, I think you have to take some action towards this person. That is all I have for you people, Sagittarius. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link with my description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.